Hi, this is Randeep.
Hi, this is Kajal.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hungama.
Now let's do rapid fire. I think rapid fire he'll score more on you because he's as politically incorrect as possible, which is desirable for us as well. So his feet are already moving. Actually, I don't.
Yeah, nervousness, signs of nervousness.
Not nervousness. He's
Eagerness.
excited. He's excited about
I am excited because you are sitting next to me, Kajal.
Okay.
Rapid fire with Randeep Hooda.
Exactly.
Rapid fire with Randeep Hooda.
He's like, yeah, whatever.
If you have to tell दो लफ्जों की कहानी to the following people from Bollywood, what it would be? Okay, if you have to tell दो लफ्जों की कहानी to the following people from Bollywood, what it would be? Kajal Agarwal. If you have to sum up, primarily if you have to sum up these following people, if you have to primarily sum up these following people, say in a few words.
I have to say two words about Kajal Agarwal.
Yeah.
Huh?
You have to sum up. It necessarily need not be-
Entu cutlet.
Entu cutlet.
Good one.
All right, Salman Khan.
Heart sleeve.
Heart sleeve.
Heart on the sleeve. तो दो word है ना.
All right. Ali Abbas Zafar.
Sultan, Haryanvi Sultan.
Haryana Sultan. All right. Imtiaz Ali.
Highway rockstar.
Highway.
Good one.
All right. So pretty impressive actually. Salman Khan is Kick or Salman Khan in Sultan, a role you think will be remembered in years to come.
Salman Khan in Sultan.
Salman Khan in Sultan. Fantastic. If someone who can't see you, asks you to describe yourself in a word, what would it be?
Human.
Human? Okay, apart from that?
Honest.
Okay, and physicality, if you have to describe yourself?
Latmar.
शक्ल सूरत कुछ खास नहीं.
That's for women to decide. You know?
Yeah.
He's the guy who's.
She's deciding. Now you can see me, by the way.
Now I can. आंखें खुल गई हैं मेरी अब.
Your most satisfying work till date?
I find mistakes in all my work, but I'll say Lal Rang.
Lal Rang is your best work? Okay, that's interesting. A biopic or a tear-jerker romantic film, a genre you would prefer over another?
Biopic.
You prefer biopic?
Yeah.
Okay, if you have to choose a role from your filmography to erase, what role would it be? Would it have to erase something?
Murder 3 because of my bad wig.
You're wearing one in दो लफ्जों की कहानी as well, right?
No.
It's not. Okay. All right. So pretty impressive. Actually.
Damn
You know,
good.
it can't
Damn
get
good.
more
Yeah.
honest and
Exactly.
that's why.
Sincere, very sincere.
Yeah, absolutely. So he's got you see the
Strong base
the benchmark that he has set now. So you have
but
to.
why does he always do this? What is with him and setting benchmarks for himself and others and
Yeah,
constantly trying to
Aww.
Yeah, I know, very awful.
many benchmarks actually. Yeah, that's true.
So now my chance?
Yes, it's Nayata.
Okay, bring it
Rapid
on.
fire with Kajal Agarwal. Your honest reaction if someone replies always when you ask him to take care of you.
Sentimental.
Okay.
I can see.
A thing जिसने आपको जीना सिखा दिया, मरना सिखा दिया. Anything that has taught you.
जीना सिखा दिया, मरना सिखा दिया. Nothing as yet. Nothing so hard-hitting as yet.
She's still floating underwater, man.
Yeah, well, seriously, like nothing has been so. I mean, I've learned through a lot of things.
Right.
And I've learned from heartbreaks and this and that, but nothing which has taught me, nothing so intense. Jeena sikha diya, marna sikha diya is too strong a statement.
Oh, okay, all right. Flowers, white or red?
White.
White. She likes white. I've read the entire interview with you went to her house and the walls are white and she apparently in a few of her movies her first entry shots are in white color.
That's a coincidence.
That's a
coincidence completely.
Really?
Yeah.
Which house did I go to which was all white?
You've come to my house?
No.
No. So then?
So which house are you saying? Which
My ghar in Bombay, yeah.
Acha. No, I've never been to her house.
Okay, maybe it was misreported. If you're stuck in falling situations, which from the following of your co-stars you'll call for help? Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, and Randeep Hooda. So if you're stuck somewhere, so
Randeep Hooda.
Randeep Hooda. All right. And if you're
But he'd be sleeping, I'm sure, or he'd be on his horse or like I don't know where, some stable or something.
no, actually the question is starting actually now.
Oh, okay,
basically,
sorry.
if
I
you're
thought
stuck
we-
in falling situations, which from the following of your co-stars you'll call for help? Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgn, Randeep Hooda. You're stuck
I
in
don't
you're stuck in
understand
rain. You're stuck in rain and aren't able to find any transport to go back home. So whom will you call? Randeep Hooda. Okay. You've loved a set of diamonds but aren't able to bargain out the deal with the jewelry owner. So whom would you call?
Him, definitely not. Definitely.
He'll give more.
Ajay.
He'll give more.
He will go give whatever it takes. No. I have better bargaining skills. Definitely not.
Okay.
Maybe Ajay.
All right. You've been chased by a group of unfriendly-looking group of men. So whom would you call? Randeep Hooda.
Randeep.
Don't say it.
On camera now. All right. Your honest first reaction when you saw the scene of Randeep Hooda crying in the last second of the promo when he's crying. So what was your honest reaction like?
Goosebumps. Very shattering.
Right. But I think some of the scenes in Sarabjit, you are outstanding, man. Seriously, man.
I was there in some of the scenes.
The fact is, no, whatever. Let's
Yeah.
not debate that. I can understand all those things. But some of the scenes, like the way you have aged and you're looking that age and you're feeling that age. And
I think
the
a
performances-
lot has to do with my makeup artist as well. I mean, of course, I've been working towards that body language and all that, and voice and all that. But a lot has to do. 95% of the battle is won if you look right. So I like to credit my makeup artist,
but I
Renuka
strongly feel-
Pillai / Nayar.
as a viewer, as a viewer, it's like it's the emotion that you connect to, yeah.
Exactly.
Much more than the makeup or anything. It's the emotion that you connect to, which is and the body language.
I also feel it's a small nuances.
Absolutely.
Like for example, when he is wearing his glasses, those broken glasses, and he's obviously aged and he cannot get it right, so he's trying to adjust it. Like for me, that small thing made such a big difference.
There are many such nuances actually. The major difference between Bollywood and Tamil Telugu cinema.
Tamil Telugu cinema starts on time.
That's about it.
Punctuality.
And people also turn up on time, or they turn up.
Bang on time.
An actor from Bollywood.
That's why.
Acha, chal to, quietly.
An actor from Bollywood you think will do very good in Tamil or Telugu cinema?
Actor from Bollywood who do great in the South. Randeep Hooda.
Okay. So the fact is that maximum answers you've given Randeep Hooda.
Yeah.
So somewhere.
Because I'm sitting next to her, you must
No,
discount that fact.
how stupid.
Yeah.
I admire you, Randeep.
Yeah, no, that is
Really, you do? Thank you so
I'm
much.
I'm sure that you do. But I think the slight the fact
Partiality,
that,
no?
No. The fact is that he tends to, in terms of he has taken sides and he has taken names. He has said that Sultan over cake and all those
Right.
things. He's actually said it. He has not shied away from any of the questions.
You think I shied away?
Slightly.
No.
Slightly. That Gina Marna. and everything.
When you asked
Okay.
me
Yeah.
which actor will I choose when to call in certain situations, I was bang on correct.
Yes, you were, and you did not take the name of Akshay Kumar as well. But slight by a whisker.
That's not the point.
By a slight
Point
whisker.
is- okay.
I'm being very objective.
Okay, fine,
trust
so the
me.
first round
आप
I
एक बार
won.
जब देखेंगे ना इस वीडियो को तो you'll agree with me. A slight whisker, he was better.
The point,
Okay, chal yaar.
point is that I think she has bonded. We have bonded together. We have bonded more than she's probably bonded on other movies. That's why as another aspect to that.
Definitely. But I'm as far as
I'm funny.
I was not privy to that. So
Okay, chal, you won. Don't feel happy. Rejoice.
Oh, I would love
Go
to lose to you.
and throw
I'd
a
love
party.
to lose to you all the time.
right, but I think rapid fire
his.
slightly. Yeah.
We give it.
Chalo,
We're very
कुछ तो
generous.
ठीक है.